In this video, I'm going to be talking about Power BI versus Looker and which is better. In this video, I'm going to go over the strengths and weaknesses of each of these business intelligence tools and which one is better for you. Of course, there's no best. It's all going to depend on your specific needs and priorities. Before we start, I just want to make it clear that the link for both of these services will be in the first comment pinned down below. So feel free to scroll down after you are done watching this video, and in the pinned comment section, you will be able to find a link that redirects you to the option to sign up for any of these two services. So first, let's talk about Power BI. First, this has an intuitive interface. It is easy to use, especially for those familiar with Microsoft products. So if you have used something in the Microsoft ecosystem, you will be able to familiarize yourself with the layout much quicker. Next, it has advanced analytics. It supports complex data modeling, predictive analytics, and custom visuals. And best of all, it offers a free tier. So if you scroll down on the website, you will notice that like most Microsoft services, it has a free tier where you are able to experience the start and the features, and then you can upgrade if you need to. It has integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, so if you ever need to switch between other tools like Excel and Azure, you will be able to do so at will. However, the weaknesses include a steeper learning curve for advanced features which may require more technical knowledge for complex analysis, and a limited real-time data capability. It is not the best choice for real-time dashboards. Now, about Looker. The strengths include a real-time data analysis in contrast to Power BI because it focuses on real-time insights and exploration. So I'm just going to get one of the layouts, for example. Now, it has centralized data governance. What this means is that it simplifies data access and securities for teams. It has strong integration. Because it is a product developed by Google, it is going to integrate well with various third-party platforms and tools. And finally, it facilitates the collaboration and sharing of insights within teams. However, it has a less intuitive interface, which can be more challenging to learn than Power BI, especially if you are used to the Microsoft tools like I mentioned. It has no free version, so it is going to require a paid subscription from the get-go, and it has limited advanced analytics, which may not be suitable for highly complex data modeling. So choosing the right tool is going to come down to if you need or you are familiar with Microsoft products and you prioritize ease of use, you need advanced analytics and data modeling capabilities, and you want a free option for individual use or learning, Power BI is going to be your go-to. In contrast, if you need real-time data analysis and exploration, you value centralized data governance and collaboration features, and you require strong integrations with various platforms, Looker is going to be what you are looking into. Remember, in the pinned comment on the comment section below, you will find a link that redirects you to both of these services. I hope I was able to help you on deciding between Power BI versus Looker and which is better. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.